Hello kids, today we are going to study chapter number 2, Snake Charmer Story. Let's start with aims and objectives. To know about Kalbelia tribe, to know about difficulties faced by snake charmers, to know about different poisonous snakes found in India. Look at the picture kids. Here few pictures are shown related to this chapter. In first picture a snake charmer is shown. He is playing a bean and a snake is dancing. In second picture a bean is shown. In third picture a cobra is shown. And in this picture, last picture, a dance is shown. Let's start with mind mapping. It means whatever you are going to learn in this chapter is explained here in brief. Snake Charmer Story. In this chapter, you are going to learn Kalbelia dance, Nag Gumfa, snake bite medicine, saperas, gift snake to their daughters, Rajasthan, bamboo basket, snake's poisonous teeth, poisonous snakes found in India. So, let's start the chapter. Kalbelia. This chapter is about snake charmers who are known as Kalbelia. They are also known as saperas. They are found in Rajasthan. Look at the map of India, children. Here, a portion which is shown by red color is Rajasthan. And this Kalbelia tribe is found in Rajasthan. And they are also known as sapera or jogiras. Aryanath's grandfather Roshannath ji is sharing his days with Aryanath. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo basket. As you can see in the picture, children, here a snake is kept in a bamboo basket and a snake charmer is playing a bean. This is a bamboo basket. From time to time, Roshannath is saying, my grandfather and great-grandfather, we have always been saperas, which means snake charmers. Snakes have been always an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in a bamboo basket. People would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we managed our livelihood. We never kill snakes. They are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even give snakes to our daughters when they get married. Now Roshannath is saying, whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snakes from our baskets. Even after the show, people would stay on. Your father learned to play the bean without being taught. If someone was beaten by a snake, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. Sometimes I was called to places where someone had beaten by a snake. From the mark of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snakes' bites can even cause death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. After the show, people would stay as they know that in our tin box there are many types of medicines. So, children, even after the show, people would stay on. Do you know why they stay on? They knew that in their tin boxes there are many types of medicines for them. Catching snakes was something I had been doing since my childhood. My father taught me how to remove poisonous teeth, which is also known as fangs, and close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. So kids, when Roshannath grew up, his father taught him how to remove poisonous teeth of the snake. He also taught him how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Now let's know about fangs. A snake has two hollow teeth which are also known as fangs. When it bites, poison enters the person's body through the fangs. As you can see in the picture, kids, these are fangs of snakes and poison enters through these fangs in person's body. Snake bite medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. Now let's know about Kalbelia tribe. Kalbelia tribe is found in Rajasthan, as I told you earlier also. Their traditional occupation is catching and trading snakes' venom. But nowadays, kids, do you know? It is becoming very difficult to catch the snakes, as now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So they made a law against this. These snake charmers are facing difficulty. They are unable to earn their livelihood. Now these snake charmers live in Rajasthan, as I told you earlier also, and they are also known as Sapera and Jogira. They live in Pali, Udaipur, Ajmer and Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. They live nomadic life. It means they move from one place to another. They give snakes to their daughter when they get married. Now, Kalbelia dance. Look at the picture, kids. This dance is known as Kalbelia dance. The movements of Kalbelia dance are similar as the dance of snake. Musical instruments used in Been Party. These are few musical instruments which are used in Been Party by Kalbelia. They are Been, Dhol, Tumba, Khanjiri. And do you know, kids? Been, Tumba and Khanjiri are made with dried gourd, which means lauki. It means except Dhol, Been, Tumba and Khanjiri are made up of dried gourd. Now let's know something about snakes. Snakes are slender, elongated, carnivorous reptiles. There are about 3,000 species of snakes found in the world. Some snakes are poisonous and some are not. Do you know, kids? Antarctica is the only continent where we can't find any snake. Snakes are friends of farmers as they eat rats in the fields who damage the crops. And kids, do you know the longest venomous snake in the world is king cobra? And python, who is known as ajgar, is non-poisonous snake. Now let's talk about India. In India, many types of snakes are found. But there are only 4 types of poisonous snakes in India. One is cobra, another is common krait, then Russell's viper, which is also known as duboia, and saw-scaled viper, which is known as afai. Now look at the picture, kid. Is it not looking like a snake? Yes, it is Nag Gumpha. Nag Gumpha is a design used in rangoli, embroidery and wall decoration in Gujarat and South India. Now let's know about different animals which are used by people for their livelihood. Buffalo, donkey, sheep, goats. As I told you kids that in Rajasthan, Kalbelia tribe is found. In the same way, in India, there are many prominent tribes found in India. So let's talk about them. Rajasthan, Kalbelia and Bhils are found. In Andhra Pradesh, Gond and Bhils are found. In Uttar Pradesh, Kauls and Kons are found. In the same way, in whole India, there are many different tribes are found. So kids, now you come to know that many tribes which are living in 2 or more states. I hope kids you understood the chapter well. Thank you.